Well, hey everybody, Leslie here. Well, the question today is, will you give yourself permission to make the change that you're dreaming about? I see people putting up barriers all the time. And one can be, and this is a very common one that I hear, am I too old for this? You know, most of the people starting this career are not between the ages of 18 and 25. They're in a much older demographic, you know, so it's people in their mid 30s to 60-ish. Okay, so I knew someone who told me in my on my YouTube channel in the comments, and it's still there, where her sister started at 65. So if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, there should be nothing stopping you. So make sure that you don't put a barrier up yourself. You may think that you're justified in doing so, but for this career, absolutely not. Okay? So will you give yourself permission to make a career change today? Now, I'm going to read you something I want you to remember. Engaging in work and activities that are meaningful for you personally is a key to greater personal fulfillment. So you may say, well, that's a given, Leslie, but really a lot of people don't understand this. And you don't look at this career for the moolah. That's a wonderful side benefit when you have tons of experience, okay? You can raise your salary yourself. Or you don't wait for a boss to give you a raise in this career. That's really, you got to change your mindset. It may mean you have to change your job, change your location, as far as what type of work you're doing, what firm you're with. But boy, when you get experience and you can talk about the experience you've had, that means this to you. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning. But anyone can start today and make a new ending. This is from Maria Robinson. Don't put this box around your walk, your journey into this career. Okay, you have a uniqueness that no one else has, and it will be beneficial to you in this career. I don't know what that is, but you will discover it. So let's look at how you push yourself. What have you decided that it's too late to do? What would you feel like if you experienced this opportunity after all? And what will you do to move toward it? Let's go.